The neat thing is the physics of these businesses are very similar. So you have rotating machines at Barber-Nichols and you have vacuum and heat transfer at Graham. The combination of the two is actually bladeless mixing systems like FlackTek, so they're quite similar. It takes a long time to establish that fabric in your organization, and Graham across all of the businesses has that.
And precision is what we can do inside those mixing vessels. Perfectly mix and repeatedly mix. And if we can make solid rocket motors, we can probably mix whatever else is out there.
Here at Graham, knowing that we're supporting the Navy, we're supporting the military and our service members, that gives just such a sense of fulfillment. It really makes a difference coming in every day and seeing how dedicated everyone is to their job.
People make every organization special. Across all the different organizations, we have this culture that's evolving around continuous improvement.
Our team that values the voice of the employee just as much as they value the voice of the customer.
Everyone's willing to lend a hand. Everyone's here is willing to, want you to succeed. Everyone wants to work together. Everyone wants to be part of a team. Everyone is a team.
Enabling everything from submarines and the torpedoes in the submarines to vacuum and heat transfer for refining and petrochemical and edible oils around the world. In addition, we have space launch as part of the platform. So a lot of really critical missions that are aiding in the lifestyle that we live today.
It's cool to see how many industries we're able to serve, anywhere from defense to refining to vegetable oil, bioplastics.
Building for the government to shipping stuff all over the world. That's cool in itself, to think that you're a part of something that has your town's name on the side of it.
American Made is a huge part of our story.
We're really excited to be the only company in America producing a dual asymmetric centrifuge, not just made in America, but designed in America, assembled in America, supported and serviced in America.
This is just the most groundbreaking advancement in manufacturing.
I think it's important that people know that they play a super important role in B&I's success, every employee.
What excites me most is we're just getting started. It's been around for 90 years. It's not an overnight success story, but I'm really proud of the capital reinvestments in the business and the new technology that's being developed. You're always needing to bring new technology to enhance your customer system.